Hey guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garages videos. I know I've been away for a little bit, but I thought I would show you um, what I've finished. So this is the Range Rover Police by Italia, which should have went to the model meeting this morning, but it didn't want to go. But I did finish it finally. Got the glass in. Got the siren, I think that is right there, British one. Lights on it. Got the interior in there. And yeah, it's not my best work, but it came out good. And I looking forward to finishing up some of my other kits, but this one came out good. I mean, except for the confusing parts and my glass getting damaged. So just thought I wanted to share that with you guys and show you where some of my other projects are. All right, guys. First, we'll look at the Corvette, where the Corvette is at this current state. Well, I have the chassis done, like you seen in the last video. I built the interior so far. Got to put the shifter in there, and I detailed the battery area there. And of course, I got to put the steering wheel in. I detailed that, and did a light detail on this. And then, of course, this is the bottom part of the car. And I gotta mask it off better, but I'm working on doing a two-tone on the sides of the car there, the little coves. So that's where that one is at. Alright guys, well this is where the Pontiac Banshee is. It's got a coat of red paint. I gotta redo the dash from the overspray. I painted all the red parts for it, the body parts. Interior, engine, drivetrain, silver. And as you can see, the chassis. And of course, I have the parts on the sticks right here. So there's a little update for you and a finale. So hope you guys like all the videos and stuff. Sorry I got tied up into working too much. But that's a video for tonight. All right.